In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who you follow on Reddit. If you're an avid Reddit user, you know that keeping track of the accounts you follow can help tailor the content you see on your feed. Whether it's informative subreddits, interesting individuals, or niche communities, following accounts allows you to curate a personal space filled with content that resonates with you. In this guide, I'll walk you through the precise steps needed to view and manage these followed accounts, ensuring your Reddit experience remains up to date and organized. First, let's begin with accessing Reddit. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to www.reddit.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Simply locate the Login button at the top right corner of the page, click on it, and enter your username and password to access your account. If you're using the Reddit mobile app, it's equally straightforward. Just open the app and sign in if you haven't done so already. With the login process complete, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, on the desktop version, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you should see your profile avatar. Clicking on it will trigger a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, you'll notice an option labeled Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This action will transport you to your personalized user profile page. Now, on the mobile app, tapping on your profile icon at the top left corner will similarly provide access to your profile. As you explore your profile, one of the areas of interest should be the overview of who you follow. On the desktop site, scan across the top of your profile page until you find a tab or link typically described as Following, Friends, or People You Follow. Click on this link. On the mobile app, these tabs can usually be found when navigating through your profile options. Once you've accessed the following list, you'll encounter a comprehensive list of accounts you currently follow. Exploring this list allows you to make adjustments as needed, keeping your Reddit feed exactly how you like it. Whether you discover accounts you forgot you were following or decide that your interests have shifted, you have full control here. If you wish to stop following any user, all it typically takes is a quick click or tap on an unfollow button beside their name. Remember, maintaining your list of followed accounts is a dynamic process. As your interests evolve, your list can too. I encourage you to revisit and revise who you follow periodically to continuously optimize your Reddit experience. Now you have all the tools you need to see and manage who you follow on Reddit, enhancing how you interact with this expansive online community. Happy Redditing!